Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want your Instagram grid to look seamless? I'll show you how to split images in Canva. Learn how to split a single image into multiple parts for Instagram so you can create seamless multi-image posts on your feed. To begin, click the Create button in Canva. From the available options, select Photo Editor or choose another tool if needed. Next, you'll need to select the image you want to split. Upload your desired image or choose one from Canva's library. This image will be placed onto your canvas, ready for editing. Select your desired image and click the Create Design button. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Apps option to open the app directory. In the search bar at the top, type Image Splitter. When the Image Splitter app appears in the search results, click on it to open and begin the process of splitting your selected image. Select the image you want to use by clicking on it. If you'd like to use a different image, you can choose the default option or click Choose from File to upload one from your computer. Once you've made your selection, the image will appear in the preview area. Check to make sure the image is correct and fits your needs. You can change the image at any time by repeating these steps. When the image displays as you want, you're ready to move on to the next step in the process. Continue following the tutorial for further editing or customization options. This area is divided into 9 parts. You can drag the borders to add more sections as needed. To split the image, click the Split Image button. You also have the option to adjust the size of any section or double its dimensions. Use these controls to customize the layout and split the image exactly as you want. Set the number of reaches to 10. After entering 10, find and click the Split Image button to begin dividing your image. The software will process the image based on the number of reaches you specified. Once the split is complete, you'll see a preview displayed on your screen showing exactly how the divided image sections will look like. To add your image to a new page, go to the desired section and select Add Image. Choose the image you want from your files. The image will be inserted onto a new page, allowing you to organize your content more effectively within the document. Wait a moment while the process completes. You'll see a progress indicator on the screen. Once it's finished, you'll be able to continue to the next step. This ensures that everything is ready before you move forward. Select any parts without a design and remove them. Simply click to delete each element that isn't needed. Repeat this process for all unnecessary parts, making sure only the designed elements remain in your project area. After you've finished your changes, delete any elements you no longer need. Next, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Download. Set the file type to PNG for the best image quality. Confirm your selection by clicking the Download button again. Your design will now begin downloading to your device. Wait for the download to complete, then you'll be able to access your finished image from your Downloads folder. That's how you save your project as a PNG file. Click the Download button to save your file. You just learned how to split images for a stunning Instagram grid using Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.